Good morning, students. Today we will discuss corrosion of metals. What is the corrosion? You know well, there is moisture nowadays. Moisture is present in the air. Moisture means water plus air, oxygen. Water plus oxygen. This moist air, when come in contact with the metallic surface, this moist air come in contact with the metallic surface, it makes the metallic oxides. It produces the metallic oxides, and due to formation of metallic oxides and by this reaction the metals get tarnished, they lose their shining, they get tarnished, and this process of tarnishing, losing the shining of metals is known as corrosion. So this corrosion in different metals we will discuss. Number one, silver. Silver, it do not react with the moist air. Routine moist air, it do not react. But when in atmosphere present with the hydrogen sulfide, when hydrogen sulfide is present in the air, hydrogen sulfide. What is the formula of hydrogen sulfide? H2S. H2S, hydrogen sulfide. When silver react with the hydrogen sulfide, it produce silver sulfide and it get tarnished, blackening of the silver, its surface get tarnished, silver sulfide. Now and hydrogen also. So this is the silver. Now corrosion of aluminium. In case of the corrosion of aluminium, in process of the corrosion of aluminium, when come in contact with the moist air, when it come in contact with the moist air, it produce the aluminium oxide. It produce the aluminium oxide. What is the formula of aluminium oxide? Al2O3. What is the formula of aluminium oxide? Al2O3. याद रहेगा? So the aluminium oxide make a coating over the surface of aluminium. It prevents the further corrosion of aluminium. It prevents the further corrosion of aluminium. So the tarnishing of aluminium is beneficial for the aluminium. It makes a protective covering around the aluminium. So corrosion of aluminium is not harmful, it is beneficial to us. Now look, corrosion of copper. Copper is a non-reactive metal. Copper is a non-reactive metal, but when moist air is present over here, moist air, oxygen, carbon dioxide and water, when it react with the moist air, it produce copper hydroxide and copper carbonate. You know well, there is greenish covering around the copper. Greenish covering deposited over the surface of copper. This greenish covering is of copper carbonate. This greenish covering is of copper carbonate. Good morning, students. Nowadays, this is the rainy season and you are observing that all the iron objects which expose with the moist air, all the iron objects which exposed to the iron of moist air, there is a red brown colored powdery material deposit over here, over the surface of iron is known as rusting. So, what is definition of the rusting? The deposition of red powdery substance on iron objects when they exposed to the when they exposed to moist air is called as rusting. This reddish brown colored material which is deposited over the iron surface is known as rust. Now look over here, what is the chemical reaction takes place over here. Now look, what is the chemical reaction over here? Moist air, moisture. So iron plus oxygen, when they react in the presence of moisture, it produces Fe2O3, and Fe2O3 we have learnt earlier yesterday. What is the Fe2O3? Ferrous oxide. Ferrous oxide is also known as rust. Iron oxide or rust. Iron oxide or rust. Here dot H2O. H2O we will write over here. We can write X H2O. कितने भी वाटर के मोलिक्यूल X मीन्स कितने वाटर के मोलिक्यूल यहाँ पर हो सकते हैं. दिस इज दी रस्ट. Fe2 Fe plus oxygen Fe2O3, right? This is the Fe2O3 is a chemical that is known as Fe2O3 XH2O. This is the rust of iron. Now rust of iron causes a lot of damage to our iron objects, iron articles, bridges, doors, windows. We replace them again and again, pillars also. So we use, how can we prevent the rusting of iron? So there are two kind of the methods. Number one, we can prevent by coming in contact the iron surface with the moist air. इस आयरन सरफेस को मॉइस्ट एयर के कांटेक्ट में आने से रोक दें. मॉइस्ट एयर बाहर, आयरन ऑब्जेक्ट अंदर. वी कैन प्रिवेंट द आयरन सरफेस coming in contact with the moist air. How can we prevent? We make a layer over here. We make a layer of paint or varnish. We make a layer of oil or grease. So this is known as oiling and greasing, painting. These are the temporary methods. Another temporary method is by coating the iron surface with zinc or chromium. The making a surface of zinc or chromium by the process of depositing a layer of zinc or chromium over the surface of iron. The process of depositing a layer of zinc or chromium over the surface of iron. This process is known as galvanization. Galvanization, painting, oiling, greasing, these are temporary methods we have to do again and again. The galvanization is long lasting, but oiling, painting we have to do again and again. Another permanent method is the alloying. Alloying, what do you mean by alloy? Alloy is a mixture of different metals. A metal can be mixed with the another metal or non-metal. A metal can be mixed with another metal and non-metal. This mixture is called as alloy. This mixture is known as alloy, and this process, this mixing of metal with another metal, non-metal, is known as alloying. So look over here, stainless steel. You know well, stainless steel, vehicle, cycle, handle made up of stainless steel. They do not rust. and these stainless steel is made up of iron plus 0.5% about carbon, nickel and chromium. Iron, along with the iron we mix 3-4% nickel and chromium along with some amount of the carbon. So this is stainless steel, it do not rust. Next one, some another metals are, some another alloys are we also use. ब्रॉन्ज कांसा, ब्रॉन्ज, ब्रास, पीतल जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं, हमारे घरों में सामान होते हैं. सो ब्रॉन्ज एंड ब्रास. ब्रॉन्ज कॉपर प्लस टीन ब्रॉन्ज, and brass copper plus zinc. These are the questions asking in your NSO National Science Olympiad examinations, and this proportion is also very important for your competition purpose.